Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on high performance mode on your Windows 11 computers. This mode can boost your system's performance when you need some extra power. Without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, press the Windows plus R key to open the Run dialog box, or you can right-click on the Start menu and open Run. Now this box will appear in front of you. In the Run dialog box, type powercfg.cpl and press Enter. This will open the Power Options window on your computer. Here, check if you have High Performance or Ultra High Performance plan listed. If you see that option, simply select it, and once you have done that, you have now enabled the High Performance mode. But if you don't see the high performance plan and only see the balanced mode, click on Change Plan Settings for the balanced mode, and then in the balanced mode section you will find the option called Change Advanced Power Settings. Click on that. Now a small pop-up window will appear in front of you. In this pop-up window you will need to expand the option called Processor Power Management. As you can see, I don't have it here, but follow along this tutorial. In that section, you will have two segments. The first segment will be one called Minimum Processor State. Make sure to keep that around 5% for both on batteries and plugged in. Then after that one, you need to ensure that the second segment, Maximum Processor State, is set to 100%, and these settings should be the same for both on batteries and plugged in. This adjustment will help you maximize the performance. Once you have made all the changes, click OK and close the dialog box, then restart your computer, and after the restart, all changes will be enabled and your high performance mode will be active. That's it. You have successfully enabled high performance mode on your Windows 11. This setting should boost your system's performance when you need it the most. If your computer is running slow, you might also want to explore other optimizations and cleanup tips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.